What comes to your mind when you think of a tree? Something that's deeply rooted in earth and soil and rises up high to enjoy the sun and the sky, right? Namaste, I'm Silky, you're watching me on the Yoga Mile, and today we are going to practice Vrikshasana or the tree pose. So read the contraindications below and get started. Starting position is like this, standing straight with feet together, palms and hands by your side, taking your right leg up, using the hand at the ankle to support, keeping your gaze fixed at one point to help with the balancing aspect, and then making sure that your whole body is tall and straight. From here, we are going to lift our arms up, inhaling, joining the palms together, breathing normal, and then very slowly coming back as you exhale, arms down and release the ankle. Few things to note. When you're placing your leg up, try to not push your knee joint. You can place it below the knee, you can place it somewhere in the middle of the thigh, but definitely not on the knee. And when you're raising your arms, make sure that you're not crowding your neck up like this using your shoulders. So keep your shoulders down when you're lifting your arms. Yeah, those are two important things to keep in mind. And the same thing you practice with the other leg. So take your left leg up, placing the heel up to the perineum, body open and wide, arms going up, joining the palms over your head, gaze fixed at one point for balance. Nice breathing memory of the tree in your mind. And then exhaling, arms down and taking your leg out. That was Vrikshasana for you. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Keep practicing. Namaste.